Welcome to the Virtual Attorney Bankruptcy Series. I'm James Doan, Senior Partner with the firm. If there's one thing for sure, it's that a well-informed client is a happy client. And we're here to give you some good information as we guide you through each stage of the bankruptcy process. We hope you find this segment particularly interesting and informative.
There's a pivotal difference in bankruptcy and in life between a secured and unsecured asset. With a secured asset, if the loan is not repaid, the asset is taken. The most common types of secured assets consumers have are houses and cars. Like a lost puppy, secured debt follows the asset. When you enter bankruptcy, you have three choices with each secured asset: to surrender, to reaffirm, or to redeem. If you give back the asset and shed the debt, that's surrender. If you keep the asset and keep the debt, that's reaffirmation. If you pay a lump sum to the lender, you can keep the asset free and clear. That's redemption. Let's look at each one in turn. Surrender is self-explanatory and pretty easy to understand. The debtor hands back the asset and the loan is discharged in the bankruptcy. Reaffirmation is a choice when you want to keep the item with the current loan. This can be done with any secured asset. Remember that when you decide to reaffirm the loan, it will follow you out of the bankruptcy and you'll be responsible for it, so be sure it's an asset and a loan you are happy with. Logistically, the brick wall we discussed is securely in place so your creditors cannot communicate directly with you. First step is for you to contact the auto lender and let them know you want to keep the asset and reaffirm the debt. They'll send the necessary paperwork to us here at Doan Law Firm. We'll send it to you. You sign it and send it back to us and we'll send it over to the lender. Convoluted, complicated, I know, but it gets done. When you reaffirm a debt, you need to have a special hearing. It's in front of a judge and he or she is checking to be sure that keeping the item and the debt is in your best interest based on your overall financial situation. Attending the hearing is something you can do easily alone. You don't have to pay us to go with you and hold your hand. The third option for secured asset is redemption. This involves making a lump sum payment to the lien holder to release the item. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, if you own a car more than 910 days, which is about 2.5 years, and it's upside down, redemption will allow you to pay just the value of the car and keep it. Wait, I know what you're going to say. If I had the money to do that, I wouldn't be in bankruptcy. But there are lenders that specialize in this type of loan. Even with higher interest rates and extra attorney fees to have the court approve this redemption, it can mean significant savings. So those are the three options with secure items: surrender, reaffirm, or redeem. Let your case manager know which you'd like to do for each of your assets.
There you have it, short, sweet, and to the point. But don't stop now. There's a lot more great information where that came from. Check out our list of videos on our website at doanlawfirm.com. Thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again soon.